pretty heavy. It says this laptop is 6 pounds, so that's pretty heavy. Charlotte's helping me open it.
I want to help.
Come on, girl. So this laptop is a Dell Precision 7520, and if you would look at their website, it's around like $1,100 to $1,200, but I got it for $300. And I hope it's in good condition. So here it is.
Oh, let's take it out.
So wait, so this comes with a charger. Here's a plain charger like this. It's just like that.
Oh, that's huge.
It's a huge charger, yeah. So it's the original Dell, and it's like tied in a. This is my first time to buy a certified by eBay refurbished laptop. So, and I like this laptop because it's supposed to be i7. It has 16 gig RAM and 512 SSD. So this is really sturdy packaging. So let's lower the camera a little bit.
See the computer.
It's hard to see. I'm just not going to show myself. I want you to see the computer. Never going to be unboxing, so. Hold on. No, I'll do it. This is pretty big. It's 15.6 inches. And, oh, that is tight.
It's tied in, squished in.
But it makes it like really good packaging because it's.
It makes it not break.
Yeah. Ooh,
Need some help?
that is pretty hard.
You want to hold the other side?
Hold on. There you go. Yes, don't be careful. There you go.
Let's show how it looks.
So I'm going to show you.
How it looks.
I'm going to flip it over.
Mommy, I can hold it for you.
I got it, thank you.
I'm gonna open
So-
it. Can I open it?
A bit shallow.
Can we play this laptop?
So this is not a
No
play.
way. You don't
Careful,
know how
Shadow.
to play with the laptop. So this is it.
So the laptop looks like this. Let me see if there's any scratch.
No, there
The
isn't.
screen is actually really nice.
The screen is all clear.
And
The turn on button is right.
it looks pretty nice. The keys are really nice, and let's check out the sides. The ports. Oh, there's a little bit of a wear on this port on the side, and the very last one. There's a little bit of a scratch. I don't know if that's a big deal or not. And then the other side, a little bit of wear on the USB port, but nothing major. I'm going to show you the bottom part. So the bottom, so it looks pretty nice. The bottom. Let's try to turn it on.
Which one?
This one.
Let me see it. I want to see it.
So,
It's
wow.
on.
So the keyboards has a backlight and touch.
No, me. What's this?
And actually, I have an old case, and it actually fits in this. It's really tight, but it fits this case. So there it is, Dell.
All of it.
I'm going to show you how I set the computer up.
Then it's going to turn on. It might. It is. It's floating.
So I'm going to test it right now if it could handle a couple of like a bunch of servers. I mean a bunch of tabs. So let's try to open Office. Let's try to open Google if there's any lag. So it's really quick, and then let's open another one. Let's open Canva. It's really fast. Let's open Canva for Windows. See, it's very fast. And let's try to open YouTube. So yeah, really fast. I've never had a laptop this fast. So I think that is really good. I'm pretty satisfied with it. It's not like brand new, but it's in really good shape. So it's like iCore 7. See? And then I'm going to show you the specs in a little bit.
The specs.
So, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. I know you